News Movement English. I'm Shiny Day. Let's start today's news.
Yes, today is Friday. We are going to present something different, something which we have not seen till today. Today is the day not to pray to God or to blame the nature or to curse our fate when we see our relatives standing in front of their fragmented house. Today is not the day to stop our neighbors to stop from fleeing. Today is not the day to remember when such devastating rain was experienced. Today is not the day to count the number of deaths by unfortunate floods of raining. Today it's not the day to sit idle seeing our hearts in the water. Today is not the day to control the emotions of general people who accuses our system of voting. Today is not the day to play the game of blaming politics. Today it's the day to remind the leaders of our rights and to make poor people aware about tax paid by Sansolians to the state and the center.
हाँ हाँ ও জায়গা পাচ্ছে না ওই জন্য জলটা কমলে তবে তো একই রকম হয়ে যাচ্ছে না
Today is the day to ask for what we need to do to preserve Asansol, the system of drainage and the real development to face the nature and save natural balance. Today is the day to compel administration to reach every corner of Asansol for relief measures. Today is the day to sit for making plans for Asansolians, whether they are in Jamuria, Raniganj, Nigha, Birkulti, Barakar, Salanpur or Barabuni.
Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes from class 8 to 10, class 11 12, Science, Arts, Commerce, Bengali and English, Graduation Honors and Program, Computer Science plus Application Economics, Sanskrit, Pol Science, Philosophy, BCom, and we also provided all types of competitive classes like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. Our contact number are 9932864067 and 8116183079.
Jhumu Chatterjee, a resident of Pithakeri in Rupnaranpur Gram Panchayat under Salanpur Police Station, and her husband were arrested by the Salanpur police on charges of embezzling lakh of rupees from a self-reliant women's group. Police are also looking for their daughter. According to the report, the several women's self-help groups in Salanpur block came together and formed some groups to make themselves self-reliant. She was the leader of the Prerna subgroup of several self-help groups in the Parattapur tribal area. Taras indigenous Pratapur and Marshall, these 7 indigenous women's group have been running various businesses since 2016 with bank loans. Jhumu Chatterjee, all these indigenous women's groups complained that the monthly loan amount they used to deposit was not deposited in the bank. The total amount of money of almost all groups was more than 9 lakh. They found out that they were called from the bank. Those uneducated women did not go to the bank very often. Their complaint was that they used to pay the monthly installment of the loan out to Jhumu Chatterjee's, but the money was not deposited in the bank day after day. In the meantime, they started deducting money from the accounts of all the members of the group from the bank for not depositing money in the bank. After that, everyone talked to their party's leader Jhumu Chatterjee. Finally, the women of the group helpless told Salanpur Panchayat President Falguni Karmakar Ghashi about the incident. But Jhumu Chatterjee kept telling us the same thing and showing stubborn attitude and denying the allegation of being involved in this matter. According to the advice of the administration, the women of informed the matter to the Lake Court. An FIR was lodged against Jhumur at Salanpur police station on the recommendation of the cell. Police then arrested Jhumu Chatterjee and her husband Shekhar Chatterjee, led by ACP Omar Ali Mella. The police also looking for her daughter's name in this complaint. Salanpur Panchayat Samiti President Falguni Ghashi Karmakar said they tried hard to resolve this issue easily. They took the initiative so that the bank could get its dues.
দলনেত্রী অন্নপূর্ণা গ্রুপেরও দলনেত্রী ও লোন নিয়েছিল গ্রুপ থেকে।
কে নাম কি এবং
নাম
কোথায়
হলো ঝুমু চ্যাটার্জি, ও হলো দলনেত্রী অন্নপূর্ণা গ্রুপের। ও লোন চলছিল, ওই তখন হ্যান্ডওভার ছিল, ওই লোন নিত, লোন শোধ করতো। আমরা তখন বুঝতেই পারতাম না, যখনই বলতাম যে ঝুমু এত এত লোন নেওয়া হচ্ছে, শোধ আমি দিয়ে দেবো। এখন এবারে ওর কি হয়েছে, ওর মেয়ের বিয়ে যেহেতু বার হয়ে গেল, বাস ও তখন বলছে আর আমি তো লোন শোধ দেবো না। আমরা আমাদের গ্রুপে আমরা ওর বাড়িও গেছিলাম যে ঝুমা ব্যাংক থেকে ডাকছে, চলো লোন ম্যানেজার স্যার কী বলছে শুনে, বলছে যাবো না। আমি তাহলে এত এত লোন কে দেবে? তো বলছে আমার ঘরে যদি বোমও ফেলে দাও তা আমি লোন দেবো না, আমার দাদাকে বলা আছে। মানে হেনা তেনা করে তারপর আছে মানে দরজা বন্ধ করে আমাদেরকে ঘাট ধাক্কাতেই বার করে দিয়েছে।
আপনারা কি থানায় কমপ্লেন করেছেন?
হ্যাঁ করেছি।
থানায় কি আশ্বাস দিয়েছে?
বলছে হবে আর অনেক কিছু, মানে এতদিন ধরে যতটুকু আশা ভরসা ছিল, কাল থেকে মনে হচ্ছে একটু অনেকটা কাজ হয়েছে। এটাই আছে আশায় যদি একটু হয়, কেননা ব্যাংক থেকে সবসময় ডাকছে না লোনের জন্য। এবার আমাদের তার কোনো নেই যে আমরা নেবো, আমরা একটা টাকা লোন নিই, কী করে শোধ করবো? 5 লাখ টাকা লোন এখন সুদে মূলে 6 লাখ টাকা হয়ে যায়।
আচ্ছা, এই যে ঝুমু চ্যাটার্জি কটা গোষ্ঠী থেকে টাকা নিয়েছে?
এখন তো মানে আমরা 7টা গ্রুপ এমনি প্রেরণা উপসংঘে, তো 4টে গ্রুপে আমরা বলেছি, দাবি করেছি, কারণ আমাদেরকে যেহেতু ব্যাংক থেকে ডাকছে ওই জন্য।
মানে আপনাদের 4টা গ্রুপে 18 লক্ষ টাকা?
সব মিলিয়ে
4টা গ্রুপ মিলিয়ে
মানে 18 লক্ষ টাকা হচ্ছে 7 লাখের, 7টা গ্রুপে, আর এটা হচ্ছে 4টা গ্রুপের সব কিছু নিয়ে। তো ওদেরকেও বলা হয়েছে, এবার ওদের যতক্ষণ না ব্যাংক থেকে ডাকে ততক্ষণ বলেন। আমাদের যেমন দেওয়ালে ঠেকে গেছে একদম, তখন আমরা বেরিয়েছি।
কি নাম আপনার?
আমার নাম নমিতা বাড়ি।
পরিচয়?
আমি অন্নপূর্ণা গ্রুপের সেক্রেটারি।
Challenge 100% success guarantee or 100% money refund with court agreement. JEE and NEET coaching by Motion, the Durgapur Study Center. Contact us 9434 822 278 and 8900 100 080. Coal India steps up supplies to power sector, accepts normalcy soon. Coal India Limited has taken up on par footing to augment supplies to power utilities of the country to rein in the lowing coal stocks and build them up to adequate levels. For the past 3 days, the company has pushed up its offtake to power plants to 1.4 million tons per day. CIL has taken up this on a mission mode The availability of coal and the subsequent supplies will be ramped up. Dispatches to coal-fired plants from October onwards are aimed at 1.5 MTS per day, going beyond 1.6 MTS in due course, said the director. With this, normalcy could be expected soon. The sudden spike in power generation in the second week of August triggered the increased appetite for coal, and as a result, the coal demand outpaced the supplies, leading to depletion of stocks at the power stations. Had the power utilizers maintained the CEA prescribed normative stock of 22 days, the coal stock situation could have been averted. Despite monsoon challenges and non-payment of outstanding dues, CIL supplied 243 MTS of coal to power utilizing during April-September 2021, which is all-time high recorded for this time frame for any year, compared to around 196 MTS supplied to power utilizers previous fiscal same period. The company posted a strong 24% growth with an increase of 47 MTS in volume terms. Compared to COVID-free period of April-September 2019, the growth was over 11% when the supply stood at 218 MTS.
Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Contact toll free number 1800-258-7060.
Chennai-based startup has introduced the concept model of a hybrid flying car. The model of the flying car was reviewed by Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia on Monday. Jyotiraditya Scindia said that he was delighted to have been introduced to the concept model, which would soon become Asia's first hybrid flying car. Once this takes off, flying car would be used for transporting people and cargo as well as for providing medical emergency services. My best wishes to the team. The hybrid car model Vinata had been developed by Vinata Aeromobility. The startup CEO Yogesh Laird said the name was chosen after deep research and it means mother of all birds. Vinata comes from ancient myth. We are working with the flying car, so we researched a lot and decided with Vinata, which means mother of birds, to be precise, Gauda's mother. The flying car concept is expected to turn into a prototype within the next 2 years. As for specifications, the flying car will have 8 coaxial rotors and a hybrid motor running on biofuel and battery. The car weight is estimated to be 900 kilos with a load capacity of 250 kilos, traveling at 120 km/h speed for 60 minutes. This is going to be a 2-seater and will run on biofuel with VTOL, which is vertical takeoff and landing capability. You can land it anywhere and take off, said Yogesh Laird. Yogesh also stated that the recent drone policies of 2021 was very encouraging, which can make India a drone hub. We wanted our product to be symbol of Make in India, and that's why decided that our civil aviation minister should unveil it before showing it to the world. Want to be a doctor? Hold the hands of an expert. Coaching for medical need AIMS entrance examinations by D.K. Lal Sir. Regular classes for class 11th, 12th and BSc. Contact number 9832-824-975.
Today's poem, Tempest Span. Big waves on little rocks. One or the other describes my late blessed to bury pains, delight, or hold against the pressing flood. Each has a time beyond the shade cast by shelters or longer shared, as the storm is clearly short to experience what's beyond. Lost from sight in the gale, connections becomes the substitute determinator in tempest span, asking more than the most expect. Diamond hardness new relay guilt against the give of soft downpours. Both the large and the small now push the suffering out of bounds. Today's SMS of the moment: the single raindrop never feels responsible for the flood.
To all the viewers, thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell.